Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to discuss an important type of Python modules which are called Python built-in modules. Modules are the files which are already stored in Python and they have Python code. So such type of files are known as Python module which have Python code. So there are two type of modules we have already seen in the previous video. Some are built-in which are already stored files in Python which have Python code. So and other type is self-created or user-defined module or we generate them. So in this case, we are going to some important modules like which are already built in Python. For example, here is a module which is math module, and this is the already stored file in the Python which has so many functions, and we can use this function anytime in future as well. Whenever we want to use this module, then this is the line in which we use this. First, we import the module with its name. As you can see here, we have imported the module with its name, which is math. Math is the name of module or the name of file, and we have imported this file in our program, and we can use this file by using its own function. And whenever we want to use any of its function, then first we put the module name and then we put dot and then we write the function name. So this is the way to use this built-in module. So let me use this through our code, our software. I'm going to use here a software called PyCharm, which uses Python language as a basic language. However, you can use any software which uses Python language, so there is no limitation to use a specific software. Okay, let me move to the software in which Python is already installed, and this is PyCharm. And what I am going to do, I am going to import a specific module. Let's suppose I am going to import math. Here in the first line, I have imported the file which is already stored in Python or the built-in module, and now I'm going to use it. For example, I'm going to define a variable, and I have stored a value 9 in a variable a, and you can see I am going to take the square root, and for square root we use the this function sqrt, but we cannot use it alone since it has not been defined in this file. So we can take this function from a math file, and for this purpose we are going to use first the file name and then put dot. So here is a way to use this module or any value of this module or file. We will put the module name first and then we will put dot operator and then we will write the function name, and now we can print it. You can see here it will directly calculate us the value, give us a value which is 3. So the square root of 9 has been calculated at the output which is 3, and this is the way to perform or import this module. So let me do here another example of similar module. This module is also used to calculate the sine value, cos value, any trigonometric function. Let's suppose I'm going to find the cos value, and what is cos? We know that the value of pi is 22 by 7, and we are going to save a as pi by 4, and now we are going to calculate cos of a, and it will be stored in b and we can print it here again. You can see here the value is 0.706, which is cos of this value. So in this way we have imported again the file in our program, and we have used a function which is cos, but before using that function we have used the module name. So if we do not use the module name, then it will give us an error. Let me show here you another example. I am going to import another module which is also used in Python and it is already stored. This module is called random. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use here a function, and that function is actually used to generate a number within a range. For example, I want to generate a number, any random number from 22 to 30, then I will use this function randint. So it will generate a random integer within the given range. But I cannot use this function alone. I will put the module name first before dot, and then I will use this function name. And now I can print this operator. Now you will see that it has been generated, the within the given range 30 has been generated. Now I can run this again and you will see the difference, that now 24 has been generated at output. So this is the way to import any built-in file which is already stored in Python, and we simply import the file name, and then we use any function of that file by using dot operator, and then the module name before that dot operator. So thank you so much. This was an informative lecture which helped you to guide how to use the built-in module, and we are waiting for your valuable feedback, and please don't forget to share this video with others. Thank you.